made it to New Mexico! Woo! How y'all like those lights I just had to turn off? There's two cowboys shooting each other right now. That dude's getting shot. Gary's here. There you go. I know I'm getting close to Santa Fe because I'm seeing a lot of Adobe homes. In between Santa Fe and Pagosa Springs. This is the most beautiful part of New Mexico I've ever seen. And I've seen pretty much all of New Mexico except for the top left corner. And this would be north central. I mean, that's beautiful. There's even a lake over there. I just got some good shots of that sunset right there. I'm standing on top of my van right now. It's a little cold out, not too bad. There's also that right there. This whole part of New Mexico is really surprising me. It's between Santa Fe and Pagosa Springs. It looks like Colorado, Utah, New Mexico, and Arizona all put together. And there might be one more in there. But it is just really, really different than what I've seen before in one place. It's really beautiful. I really suggest y'all come out here. Exactly where I'm at, if y'all ever want to come out here, is right in front of the Ghost Ranch. It says it's a education and retreat center, so if you want to go check that out, you can do that. I gotta get going. I gotta get to the cabin where all the guys are, because we're having a snowboarding trip in Pagosa Springs. So that's gonna be fun. We're gonna be there for like a week. I'm gonna be there for 2 weeks. All right, see y'all later. Peace.